Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com, and today I'm going to be giving you an overview of ProCare Bifen 7.9 Insecticide Concentrate. ProCare Bifen 7.9 is an insecticide that contains the active ingredient bifenthrin. It's a versatile and long-lasting insecticide that makes an excellent pick for both home and commercial pest control needs. It provides long-lasting control of over 75 different pest problems, including mosquitoes, ants, spiders, cockroaches, fleas, ticks, flies, wasps, and so many more. It can be used in a variety of applications, both indoors and outdoors. It can be applied around homes and apartments, commercial buildings, in turf and lawns, ornamentals and landscapes, and greenhouses. It can be used as a preventative perimeter barrier treatment, in mosquito treatments, to treat around kennels and livestock, and many more options that can be found on the label. It keeps working long after it's applied, so it gives you a long-lasting residual control. It's a water-based formula that dries virtually clear with no strong smells after treatment. You'll want to start by mixing the insecticide with water in a hand pump or backpack sprayer. Always make sure that you've got your PPE on. I've got on my chemical-resistant gloves, long sleeves, long pants, and closed-toed shoes. You'll unscrew both lids and pop the foil seals on the inside. Once you've got the foil seals popped, securely put both lids back on, and now it's time to pour the liquid into the measuring reservoir. You'll tilt the bottle in the opposite direction to fill liquid into the measuring reservoir. You'll be able to see how much you've measured out by looking at the markings on the measuring reservoir. If you get a little bit too much, you can simply tilt the bottle back to discharge some back into the main reservoir. Now that you've measured out your ProCare Bifen 7.9 in the measuring reservoir, it's time to fill your sprayer. You're going to start with an empty sprayer, unscrew the lid, and fill your sprayer halfway up with water. Once you've filled your sprayer halfway up with water, remove the cap and pour the liquid in the measuring chamber into your sprayer. Now that you have your ProCare Bifen 7.9 insecticide solution mixed, it's time to fill your sprayer, the rest of the way with water. Once the sprayer is filled up with water, you'll replace the lid, ensure that it is securely tightened, and now it's time to agitate the mixture really well. The dilution rate varies from 0.125 to 1 fluid ounce per gallon of water, depending on where and which target pest you'll be treating. Check the product label to make sure that you have the correct mix rates for your application. The most common uses of the ProCare Bifen include barrier treatments, mosquito treatments, and lawn treatments. For perimeter barrier treatments, use 0.33 to 1 fluid ounce per gallon of water. You'll want to spray around the foundation of your home, 2 to 3 feet up and out, all around the exterior foundation. You'll go around windows and door frames, where cables and pipes and wires enter your home, under eaves and soffits, and other places where pests may enter the building. For mosquito treatments, you'll use 1 fluid ounce per gallon of water for residual control, applying to the surfaces of buildings, grassy areas around the building, on ornamentals, trees, shrubs, and other areas where mosquitoes are found. You'll want to apply in the cooler temperatures of the early morning and in the evening after the sun goes down for best results. In turfs and lawns, you'll use between 0.18 and 1 fluid ounce and apply with up to 10 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet to ensure coverage in the dense grass of lawns. As with all treatments, see the product label for specific lawn pest treatment rates and instructions. And that's a quick overview on the ProCare Bifen 7.9 Insecticide Concentrate, a versatile, long-lasting solution that helps you tackle a variety of pests both indoors and outdoors in residential, commercial, or industrial areas. Be sure to always wear the appropriate personal protection equipment and to read the product label to safely and effectively apply the ProCare Bifen 7.9 Insecticide Concentrate. You can check out the ProCare Bifen on our website at DoMyOwn.com. And it's that easy with the expert help and professional grade products from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.